What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making paneer bhurji in my way. So let's begin. So here I've taken a pan in which I'll be cooking my paneer bhurji, to which I'll be adding in 2 spoons of cooking oil and let it become hot. The gas is on medium flame. Once the oil is hot, I'll be putting in 2 spoons of gram flour to it. And roast this gram flour in this oil very nicely. For about 4 to 5 minutes till the rawness of the gram flour goes. So it's been about 3 to 4 minutes. Our gram flour has roasted very nicely and you can get that smell, typical roasted smell of gram flour. Once that's done, I'm gonna add in few cumin seeds. Here I've taken 2 omelette cut onions. You can see how finely I've chopped them. So I'm gonna add that to this. Here I've taken 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. Gonna add that to this. Here I've taken 1 big green chili. It's not that spicy. You can use the quantity and adjust it as per your requirement how spicy you eat. So mix it. And cook it till the rawness of the onions and ginger and garlic goes, till it becomes a bit brown in color, soft and translucent, which will take about 7 to 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna roast it more for about 7 to 8 minutes. So guys, it's been about 5 to 6 minutes and onions have turned a bit brown in color. They have cooked very well, soft and mushy. At this point, I'll be adding in 2 big size tomatoes. Half a spoon of salt. You can add in as per your taste. Half spoon of turmeric powder. Half spoon of red chili powder. This is spicy one. 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half spoon of coriander powder. And half spoon of garam masala. Make the gas to medium low. Give it a nice mix. I've added gram flour to this. It gives a good and perfect binding to our bhurji of paneer. So you don't miss a non-veg when you're eating this. Trust me, when you make it, you will not believe it's paneer that you're eating and not egg. So I'm gonna mix it. The gas is on medium low. I'm gonna cover and cook it for about 8 to 9 minutes till the tomatoes are nicely cooked and oil comes out of the masala based gravy. So guys, it's been about 7 to 8 minutes and see, wow, the masala is already at, now you can see the oil has come out, the tomatoes have cooked very nicely. So a base masala is all ready. At this point, you can check in for the seasoning. If you need to add in chili powder or salt, you can add in. I'm at this point I'm gonna add in half cup of water. Gas is on medium. Give it a nice mix. And then you can see how gravy has thickened a bit. It's all because we added gram flour in it, which gives a nice consistency to the base of the bhurji. Here I've taken 400 grams of paneer. I've grated them with a grater. You can see how finely I've grated them. So I'm gonna add this paneer, the base masala. Lower the flame to medium low and mix it very nicely. You can see I've mixed everything. So I'm gonna cover and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes till our paneer is cooked very nicely with the masala. So guys, it's been about 8 to 10 minutes. Wow. Our paneer bhurji is all ready. You can see how nicely it's turned out to be. See, it's cooked so nicely. So at this point, I'm gonna add in half spoon of garam masala powder to it. And some freshly chopped green coriander. To it. Let's just add some fresh green coriander to it. Gas is on medium low. Give it a nice mix. And it's all ready now. Let me show you how a paneer bhurji is. See, yummy and delicious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the plating and show you all. So guys, I've finally done the plating. Let me show you our paneer bhurji. That's how yummy and delicious it's turned out to be. So that's a paneer bhurji, which I've served it with some slices of bread. Look how delicious it's looking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste and show you all how it is. Let me take some in my plate. Squeeze in some lemon. Take some bread slice. See, look how yummy it is. I'm gonna taste. My god. Nobody will believe it's not made of eggs. It's so yummy and delicious. It's typically and the bestest way you guys can enjoy a street style way of having paneer bhurji at your home. Perfectly cooked, the spices are just perfect. Try the way I've showed you. The balance of the sourness, the paneer, the rawness of paneer. The taste is just so wow. You guys can enjoy it anytime. You can have it in your lunchbox also. You can have it in your lunch, your dinner. You just gonna enjoy your day when you have this paneer bhurji at home. Doesn't take much time with
minimum ingredients that you've got in your house, you can make it at home. It's just wow, guys. Try the way I've showed you, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Do try my recipe the way I've showed you and let me know how it's turned out to be. See you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay smart.